Travel is changing, but that doesn't mean you need to forego adventure forever. I'm Stacy Leska for Travel and Leisure, here to show you the destinations that are eagerly awaiting your return. Like right here in Santa Barbara, California. Come with us as we explore the places you can still stay and play to have a happy and healthy vacation well spent. Santa Barbara is full of outdoor spaces to enjoy, and for a $0 adventure, you can come here to the Douglas Family Preserve, which will take you through the trees to this gorgeous bluff-top view of the ocean below. And if you're wondering about the name, it really is from Michael Douglas. His family helped save the open space, hence the name Douglas Park. Want to dive into a bit of Santa Barbara's history? Try something different by visiting the Moreton Bay Fig Tree with Eat This, Shoot That.
Right behind me is our fig tree, and we believe it's the largest fig tree in North America. This has been the inspiration for Disney's Swiss Family Robinson treehouse, which is now, I believe, the Tarzan treehouse at Disneyland. We have one of the best foodie scenes in Southern California, and we're introducing you to not just the local culture, but also the mom and pops who own these restaurants and wine bars. You cannot beat the landscape of Santa Barbara. We have some of the most beautiful beaches and one of the only beaches in the world where you can catch both the sunrise and the sunset any day of the year. This is one of the nicest cities you'll ever visit. It's got a little mix of surf culture, foodie, arts and museums. Just a little bit of everything here.
Want to see more of what Santa Barbara has to offer? It's easy. Just head out on its self-guided red tile walking tour. The tour stops in 17 destinations, showing off 22 buildings, some of which date back to the 1700s. And they all show off those red tiles that Santa Barbara has become so well known for. And it begins right here at its stunning courthouse. There's one more way to see Santa Barbara, and that's with its four-legged friends at Los Padres Outfitters.
My name's Graham Goodfield, and our company is Los Padres Outfitters, and this is Darla and Hugo and my wife Hannah. And we provide backcountry horse excursions for the visitors here in Santa Barbara. What we provide for people is an opportunity to see Santa Barbara from horseback and see parts of Santa Barbara that you otherwise wouldn't get to experience. So you don't have to be an experienced rider to ride with us. We've got folks from all walks of life ride with us every day.
Santa Barbara is a stunning place to be. There's so much to do. There's mountains and beach and everything in between.
And we spend just as much time out in the water as we do in the backcountry, and it's a whole nother wilderness to see when you come here to Santa Barbara.
We just enjoy showing people what's out there. We're an adventure family.
Yes, there are indeed a ton of activities to do in Santa Barbara, but if you come here and don't go wine tasting, you're not doing it right. Luckily, there are places like Municipal Winemakers that are here to help you taste all of the region's best varietals right in its own tasting room.
We produce a few different brands known as Muni wines, Protec wines, and nowadays wines. We make everything here in town. Everything's hand-picked, brought down here super early in the morning. All the fruit is processed, fermented, aged, and then we also bottle everything here as well. Santa Barbara is an interesting wine region. We get very foggy, cool mornings, nice warm kiss of sunshine in the afternoon, and then the fog comes back in, which in the final wines make wines that are fresh and elegant and aromatic and full of energy.
If you're looking to get a whole new perspective on Santa Barbara and maybe even a little bit of a California tan while you're here, there's one place you need to visit, and that is the Santa Barbara Sailing Center.
My name's Dana Johnson. I work at the Santa Barbara Sailing Center as a charter boat captain and a sailing instructor. Sailing in the Santa Barbara Channel is fantastic. What you can expect to see are dolphins, whales, and even if we don't luck out on finding some wildlife, you've got some of the best views along the California coast. The accessibility to adventure is just unparalleled.
When you're ready, sailing and horseback riding and lounging by the beach will all be waiting for you, so you can come to Santa Barbara and have your own day well spent.